Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally we did it. I want to welcome every one of you to this channel, and I really want to appreciate you for taking your precious time to journey along with me, as you're going to learn a lot from this channel, and as well you're going to learn a lot starting from this video. Let us go. Now, first things first, I'm going straight on to what I have for you in this video, where I'll be talking about the things you need to know how to start this journey as a trader. First things first, I want you to understand that trading is a mindset. It is not about your buy and sells. It starts with your mindset. It starts with your mind. The kind of mindset you have, the kind of mindset that you're going to use to approach it. But the next thing I want you to get is your pen, and get a notebook or get a journal, whichever one. Or if you're using Notion, get ahead and use Notion. Now, first things first, the first mindset you need to have is to understand that trading itself, it's a business. It is a business that requires time to grow. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not something where you come in today, put in $10, then tomorrow you make $10,000. No. Trading itself, it's a business. It's a business that requires time, and it's a business that requires your effort. You are the one responsible for your wins. You are the ones responsible for your losses. Two, the next point I'll be buttressing on is for you to understand trading itself, it's a journey. It's a journey with different phases. Don't think it's going to be a smooth ride where you're just going at one speed. Nope. It's a journey with different phases. And with different phases, it requires time. Imagine you heard what I said clearly. Time. So even in the down phases, you have to be patient. Even in the up phases, you have to be patient. You have to know that in this journey, you have to put what you want to get. You know what you're looking for. You have to put it at your foresight. Until you get there, you ain't going to stop, except you're someone that quits easily. All right. The next point I'll be talking about is for you to understand trading itself, it's a skill. It's a skill. It is not gambling. It's not gambling where you can wake up every morning and say two sure odds every day. No, it is not two sure odds every day. It is a skill, just like learning how to drive, just like learning how to barb, just like learning how to plait air, just like learning how to cook. In this, you are learning how to trade the Forex market. You are learning how to trade either the Forex market, or you're learning how to trade the crypto market, or you're learning how to trade the stock market. Trading itself, it's a skill that requires you to understand the market. Then when you understand the market, then you now have to find a strategy. This is moving on to our fourth point. Find a strategy that suits your personality, where you can be able to pull out from the market, where you can be able to pull out profits, where you can pull out money from the market on a consistent basis. You understand? If you don't have a strategy, if you don't have a way in which you go into the market, I assure you there is no way you can be profitable. Now, you have to understand something as well, that there are so many strategies. There are so many concepts. I know what I'm telling you. There are so many concepts in this business. There are so many strategies in this business. There are so many knowledge out there in this business. You have to choose one. You have to pick one that works. You have to pick not just any kind of strategy, not just any kind of edge. Edge and strategy, I mean, they are the same thing. Not just any kind of edge. You have to just pick one that works. Pick one that resonates with you, that goes with your mindset. Pick one that you are comfortable with. Now, in picking a strategy that works, in selecting a strategy that works, and selecting an edge that works, you have to have this in mind. You have to gain mastery. Write this down. Mastery. You have to be proficient. You have to be focused in that strategy. You have to be a master in that strategy, so that you can be able to pull out from the market. Someone once said, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. One kick, one strategy. You've practiced it 10,000 times. You can do that same thing 10,000 times. Like you can repeat it again and again and again and again and again. It is not about learning. So it's not about learning different strategies and trying to learn from here, trying to learn from this. No. It's not about that there. You have to be able to pick one, look for one, pick one, and master it. These are the key things. These are the secret sauce that they didn't tell me. These are things they didn't tell me when I started my journey back then. Moving on to the last thing. You have to ask yourself this question. What is your why? Why am I doing this? Why am I going to quit my job for this? Why am I going to focus on this career path? Why am I going to focus on this business? If you don't have a why, I can assure you, along the journey, along the line, you might as well quit. So you need to ask yourself, why am I doing this? Then now, moving on to the last tip I'll be giving to you today, which is a bonus tip. Please, before the bonus tip, I believe you must have picked one or two things from the previous things I said. Do me a favor, just tap the subscribe button. It's going to be there. Just tap it. Thank you. Now, the bonus tip I have for you is this. I wish someone told me this when I started as a beginner. Man, it would have shortened my learning process. I would have been consistent earlier enough. Well, thank God I know this things now, so that's why I'm here for you. Now, you have to be able to track your progress. Track it. How do you track your progress? You can track your progress. You can track your progress by taking notes, by having a journal, or simply by vlogging. It's as simple as that. As you learn, as you go through this journey, you vlog, you write down, whichever one that suits you. Just make sure what you track your progress. In tracking your progress, then you can be able to tell where you're making mistakes, where you're not making mistakes, where you're doing it right, and where you're doing it wrong. So guys, this is all I have for you today, and on my next video, I'm going to be taking you into the technicals, the areas, the things you need to know, the gadgets you need to have, and the tools you need to have. And I might as well show you one or two things when that relates to picking a strategy. So guys, stick out and watch out for my next video. And please don't forget to tap the subscribe button.